Here's a step-by-step tutorial to troubleshoot and fix the issue of failure to load websites. The steps go from simple to more technical, so just follow them in order until the issue is resolved. Look at the Wi-Fi or Ethernet icon on your computer or phone. Try visiting multiple websites like google.com and bbc.com. If none load, it's likely a connection issue. On Windows or macOS, open Command Prompt or Terminal, then type ping google.com. If it fails, your internet connection may be down. Restart your router or modem by unplugging it, waiting about 10 seconds and plugging it back in. You can also try connecting to another network, like your mobile hotspot, to see if it works. Reboot your computer or phone. This clears temporary glitches. After that, reopen your browser and try again. Alright, so next, give the site a shot in a different browser. For example, if you're using Chrome, maybe try Firefox or Edge instead. If the website works fine in one browser but not the other, well, that probably means the issue's got something to do with your browser settings or maybe even an extension. Now let's go ahead and open up your browser settings. From there, head over to Privacy and Security. Then look for Clear Browsing Data. Make sure you select cookies as well as cached images and files. Finally, just click Clear Data. Okay, next up, go to your browser's extensions menu. Try temporarily disabling all of your extensions. Then reload the site and see if that helps. Sometimes security or privacy plugins like ad blockers can block content or even the entire website, so it's worth checking. Alright, make sure your device has the correct date and time set. If these settings are off, it can actually mess up secure site connections like HTTPS, so double check that everything's accurate. Okay, if you're on Windows, here's what you need to do. Open Command Prompt as administrator. Then type in epconfig/flushdns, press enter, and that's it. And for folks on macOS, go ahead and open Terminal. Type sudo discachoodle-flushcache, sudo killall-hup-mdns responder. Hit enter, and if you're prompted, just type your password. That should do the trick. Okay, so for this step, go ahead and use Google's public DNS. You'll want to go to your network settings, and then change your DNS server to 8.8.8.8 and 8.8.4.4. Once you've done that, just save your changes and restart your browser. Sometimes firewall or antivirus software might block access to certain websites. So try temporarily disabling them and then attempt to load the website again. If it works, you may need to adjust your security settings or add some exceptions. Now go ahead and use tools like Malwarebytes, which is a free malware scanner, or ADW cleaner. Scan your device for any infections or rogue DNS changes just to be on the safe side. Maybe the website itself is down? You can visit https://www.isitdownrightnow.com or https://down for everyone or justme.com. Just enter the URL to confirm. Make sure no unusual proxy is set in your system or browser. Also, try disabling your VPN temporarily to test things out. On Windows, go to Settings, then Network and Internet, and then Proxy. Turn off any active proxy settings. Alright, on Windows, just open Settings, then head over to Network and Internet and click on Status. Now scroll all the way to the bottom and click on Network Reset. Okay, on macOS, go to System Settings and then select Network. You'll need to remove the network and then reconnect to it. If you've tried all of the above and still no websites are loading, your internet service provider might be having an outage or maybe there's some blocking issue, go ahead and contact their support line. If you're stuck on a specific step or need help with a certain device or operating system, just let me know. I can guide you more precisely.